Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a stunning Starry Night avatar in Canva. All you have to do now, you can click AI powered. I design essentials. Now we can scroll down. Before we start, this is the Canva desktop version. You can get it for free from the official website. And here we go, the Starry avatar. Become a Starry Night masterpiece. Elevate your profile with unique and captivating avatar from Starry Avatar that blends the best of impressionist art with your profile. So you can click use in new design, for example, with the Instagram aspect ratio. Now you can choose file that you want to create this one. Open. Please wait, this may take a few seconds to generate your image. So this is the result. So this is the Starry Night style art that you can create by yourself using Starry avatar in Canva. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. See you in the next video.